if you shorted, we said let's try using that, yesterday's low as resistance. I said take profits before the open. So if you were long side and did, you don't have to take the short. But if you were looking for the short side bounce trade, we said that 7 to 9 needs to be defended. So anybody that's played this is a great trade. Now trailer, strictly trailer. The Angel's at 175. So we're testing the low. And a reminder, we can go to any day low today. Primary battle, we said, should be a possible range trade. So don't overthink this. If you believed in a morning after trend day and said, okay, let's see if we can get back into the 3s and 2s, great. Lock it up. Today may be harder than we think. We may need some consolidation first, because psychology area is the 1500, and either the boys defend it or they don't. So good possibility we do some range trading first. And anybody that's trying to buy for potential half gap today, I've got the half gap at, yesterday's gap was 7, so already with the 5.5 is close to the half gap, 6.25 area. So, and a reminder, Charlie loves to short the lows. We're ahead of ourselves right now. Big dilemma today, is there how much left in the chute from yesterday? This low right here is probably the key support area, the 95 area. There should be a gap just below it that was never quite filled, as I recall, in the 93 area. And I think a lot of traders will look at this area as next support. So I'm saying already, psychology support 1500. And we need some time. We may get some chop. So I'm not one of those that likes the idea of a plunge day and then immediately get a strong reaction the other way. That's not what I'm looking for. But I'm also not looking for another plunge day like yesterday. So I think we need to be careful as the day wears on about thinking too much about this. And the 2.5 area actually is a very nice target area based on a number of things. So the real key is, do the boys step up, or do they just let the bottom fall out a little bit more and then jam us later? So we had about a 9-point range overnight. We're still inside that. And obviously the middle has held for now. That's why I said, anybody playing long before, be out 5.5 to 6.5. And I think we're going to have stopping and starting type trading. Because if you're smart, you're not going to overthink the short side. Not after a day like yesterday. And if you're long, you have to realize today's the day we find out whether the emperor is wearing any clothes or not.